All right, let's go ahead and add categories to each of our tools. So we have two categories in Study Genie. We've got homework and we've got career. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously we played around with the tools. Go up and click category here. Once you're here, app data, all categories. These are the different categories that we had originally with the template. So all tools, ecom, digital ads, social media. Go ahead and click two additional fields. Let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit. We can go ahead and remove the slug, but let's go ahead and add the unique ID. We can remove created date as well, as we don't need to see that. Let's go ahead and save that. So as you can see, each category is associated to a unique ID number. So this is really important. And we're going to go ahead and change a lot of these. So we can keep all tools. What we'll do is let's just go in here and we'll just edit these. So we can remove a few of these right here. Go ahead and delete these. And let's go ahead and change the name from e-commerce to homework. Go ahead and save that. And then let's change digital ads to career and go ahead and save that. So this unique ID is going to be extremely important because this is what we're really going to add to these tools. Now, before we do that, the other thing we're going to want to do is go into option sets. Here you'll see category display, and we need to change these as well. So let's go ahead and we'll just modify e-commerce and we'll do homework. And then digital ads, we'll go ahead and change that to career. And then we can go ahead and remove these below. You can also just simply add a new option. So we could be like test, create, and then there's a new option there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and add the unique ID to each of the different tools assigned. So let's go ahead and copy. Oops. Let's go ahead and open career and we'll change those to career tools. So we'll copy that unique ID. Got it. Jump down into tools modified. And as you can see here, I already selected career, but go ahead and select career, paste in that and add that category ID to that tool. Go ahead and save. And we're going to do that to all the tools here. So go ahead and click add, save. Now we're going to jump back into our categories. We're going to select homework and we're going to copy this unique ID. So jump back into here and do the same thing with the homework. So we selected homework. And just so you guys know, this category display is really just for the front end. So, and then the category ID is what's associated to the back end. That way we can actually filter the tools and it displays the correct category. Let's go in here, text summarizer. We'll add that. Homework, paragraph generator, add, save, essay writer, and that is it. So now if we jump back into our application, let's go ahead and refresh the page here. You can see that we've got all tools and then our homework and career category. So if we click on homework, it'll display our homework tools, and then career displays our career tools here. So that's really, the gist of this application. So really quick, I just want to show you guys exactly how this works and how that dynamic data that we edited actually impacts the front end. So as you can see here, here's our main dashboard page and the different tools that we have. And if we click on like parent groups, right, which is going to display the category, you can see here, this is our dynamic data. So basically we're telling it that, hey, if there is a category assigned, this is where you will display that category. So really simple. If you are trying to get a little bit more advanced in Bubble, I would definitely spend a lot of time watching a lot of these tutorials where they actually work within the workflows, showing how everything's work. We will have an upcoming course where we talk about, how to really use, the dynamic data functions, how to really build complex workflows. But in this lesson, we really just wanted to show how simple you can build a AI software application using the template and how easy it is, to create new tools, change the different prompts, and really, leverage these large language models to easily build a software application. So hopefully this makes sense. And we covered everything. And now these categories are working the way we need. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next lesson.